Hello, welcome to Trade Dynamics. This is a demo of the single touch payroll, STP, that everyone needs to be compliant to. If you've got a certain number of employees, basically everybody employs anyone these days. Anyway, so this is how you write a paycheck. This is one way of doing it. You can do it in the bulk sort of method. So we'll select the customer, so we're going to pay electronically. Okay, so you can upload the pay file straight to your bank and it'll pay everybody. All you do is go record, so then a check number, so check number 1, 2, 3, 4, or reference number. Just go record and print. There's your pay slip, you have your company details up there, there's your pay slip. Okay, so we'll get out of there and I'll demonstrate the single touch payroll. You go into single touch payroll, it shows you might have 10 employees here, we've only got 1 employee. So you just say select all, you want to submit all the this pay slip here. You might have 10 employees, 10 pay slips. You want to submit it to the tax office. Just accept declaration statement. You create the tax office file. This has been created. All you do is go upload pay run to tax office and upload it, and it goes to the tax office. So that way there's no need for pay-as-you-go summaries at the end of the year, and that's all there is to it. So you do your payroll as normally and just upload the tax office file to the tax office through this button here, this website, and your payroll is done, and the tax office have a running balance of year-to-date totals, including superannuation, allowances, etc., everything for your employees, and there's no need to do any pay-as-you-go summaries at the end of the year, and that makes you compliant as well. So if you want to have a look at it, you can download it from rad.com.au, so it's www.rad.com.au, rad for radical, rad.com.au.